Hi everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. It is 12:32 a.m. on April 27th, and this is continued management of the stock trading watch list for the week of April 25th, 2011. Let's start with ALJ. ALJ was a half unit trade triggered on Monday, and on Tuesday it was actually looking like it may want to pop again, but instead it dropped. 1341 stop. Still looking for a 40-cent gain, which obviously didn't happen on Tuesday. Still looking to take half off plus $1.10. This is a half unit trade. Google, looking for it to go lower. Instead it went higher. No harm, no foul. Taking it off the list. No trigger on Google. IRM got a little bit of a bounce. We're looking for this one to trade higher. So if IRM trades above Tuesday's high on Wednesday, even by a tick, you know what? We're going to change that. If IRM, I'm going to write it out too, trade to 2 cents below Tuesday's high, moves, stops to break even. And we're looking for half off plus 75 cents. Going to change everything here. Quarter off plus $1.50, and then a quarter off plus 4. All right, so new trading plan on this one. Okay, so trade quarter off plus 4. Okay, so trade to 2 cents below Tuesday's high, or better, obviously. Move stops to break even, half off plus 75 cents, quarter off plus $1.50, quarter off plus $4. Virus didn't have a trigger. We were just looking at it, and this formed a little tight consolidation day right on the 10-day moving average. JP Morgan, we were looking for JP Morgan to go, if I could spell it right, we were looking for JP Morgan to go lower. Instead it went higher. Take JP Morgan off of the trigger list. We're still going to keep it on the watch list. No trigger. No trigger. Okay, on JP Morgan. Going to let this one go Wednesday, but we're going to keep watching it. MCP was a stop out, a break-even stop out. Never got above Monday's high, and it retraced a bit and stopped out break-even. Maybe we'll regret it, keeping the stop so tight, but don't take a chance on this one. It's had a really big run-up, and I may want to do a more complex light correction. So from here, we're flat on the stock. The video's flat on the stock. There was no loss on that one. SWSH. Okay, this was the plan. It's crossed out. We now have a new plan for SWSH. Looking at an 838 entry with a $7.48 stop. 40-cent gain move stops to break even. Half off plus 1. Quarter off plus 150. And a quarter off plus 3. That's SWSH. And CHBT. CHBT was a nice one. Gapped up above the 934 exit, but it immediately sold down. So I'm going to count this that we got half off at 944. Okay, so we're going to half off at 944, and that was plus $1.10, I believe. No, $1.20. Sorry, 934. Okay. So we got that already, and that's good. Now stops are at break even right here, and we're going to look to, let me just grab this and grab this, then we're going to look to take second half off at 1044. Going to look to take second half off another $1 up, and stops at break even here. No new stocks ahead of the FOMC meeting and Bernanke's first post-announcement recap conference. So we'll be back with the update for Thursday, and maybe we'll even add a few stocks onto the list. Have a great trading day on Wednesday.